John here at E.C.D Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring out to you what was new and exciting during the month of May here at E.C.D. We started off with Project Reset, a beautiful volcanic moss green eggshell painted Defender 110 with wide body kit, black wheels, a tan interior that was absolutely gorgeous. Then we went on to Project Powder Keg, that is an EV in forest gray, also eggshell finish, very interesting. A little bit more subtle on the outside with the slim body. It also had a slimline bumper with a tubular notch pad in the front. And then we're rolling to Project Ghost, a 67 Mustang fastback that looks incredible. White with black stripes, tan and black two-tone interior, chrome wheels, just a knockout all the way around. From there, we go into Project Old School, which is a Range Rover Classic, long wheelbase, painted in Cornish cream, black wheels, incredible interior with a flatted headliner and accents within doors and throughout the interior. Looks absolutely beautiful, very unique RRC for sure. And then lastly, we have Project Hat Rack, which is a amazing Defender 110 soft top, white exterior with black accents, very subtle, but at the same time has a lot of pop between the different accents in the exterior, and of course an array of upgrades inside and outside. Now, as featured articles in a newsletter this month, you will find out more about what's the best classic Mustang model to buy, also a restored Land Rover Defender is worth it, and understanding the custom builds and restoration process. Now, don't forget to check out our highlight video of the month, where we show our amazing Mustang Project Ghost, which is definitely a must-see. Now, under press features, you will find, of course, following up that highlight video of the month, our first press release on the 1967 Mustang. Full links to the articles can be accessed via ECD Impress on our website. And don't forget to check out our Mustang and Defender configurators, where you can play with all kinds of elements for the vehicles and make it your own. And of course, don't forget to follow us through all of our social media platforms and stay connected with all the new and exciting things that we got going on here at ECD. Bye for now.